but as everything must come to an end. But the game's not over yet, right?
Oh yeah, we're in by Stein.
So we enjoyed entertaining you. I'm going to ask all our entertainers, the Almrausch and the Gemutlichen Schuhplattler, to come on stage. We had a great time. We hope you enjoyed the show that we put on for you today. We want to thank the Angels organizations. Aren't they great? They let us come here and entertain you. Give the Angels a big hand. So if you'd like to learn more about us, the Gemutlichen Schuhplattler have a Facebook page. They also have a web page, as the Almrausch Tanzlmusi also has a web page. If you want to get in touch with any of them, Steven Mahpar or Hannah, we'll be glad to help you. And of course, we're headquartered at the Phoenix Club, which is only about 4 blocks away from here. So,